So guys, let's continue. Apho siyeke khona. Kume uJameson in the reverse. Hlala phansi in the reverse. Baby in the upright. Namhlanje in the upright. Landela in the upright. Nochomi in the upright. So xa into in the reverse, meaning suyenza okanye awusayenzi okanye awufuna uyenza okanye it's just negative xa ejonge ezantsi. So uJameson is in the reverse. Meaning xa Jameson in reverse, meaning awusaseli okanye awufuni usela okanye uhlile etywaleni. Okay? Hlala phansi in reverse, meaning you are still hustling. Yebo, ureducile etywaleni and then you hustlisha harder. Yebo? Hustling in reverse. No. Hustling in reverse, meaning you have stopped hustling. So, Jameson is in reverse. Hlala phansi in reverse. Ikhona uyekile uhaslisha ngolo hlobo uhaslisha ngalo. Awusahaslishi ngolo hlobo uhaslisha ngalo, you are more relaxed. Yabo, you have a baby or you're going to have someone who's going to call you baby. And ma awunamntu uzawuba nomuntu okubiza baby, awumazi lo mntu, but xa iqala ukubiza baby, okanye you have a baby, okanye you go to have a baby. Namhlanje, it means namhlanje you feel grown than any other birthday ubunayo qala. Wakubuna, let's say ubuna 55 and then namhlanje 56, I'm just making an example. Okay, ubuna 57. Okay, una 80. Namhlanje you feel grown. You just feel grown. If you were in your 20s and you turn 21, you feel grown namhlanje. There's something you can't shift delay apha kuwe. I'm quite excited get birthday yakho, but anyway, you should be because it birthday is blessing. Landela awulandeli mntu this time. Awulandeli mntu, you do your own thing and more focused on yourself. Ane? Kukho nochomi apha. I have a feeling you're not hanging out the chomi zakho like you used to. Ikhonto focus kuyo. Yabo? You have a baby. Unomntana, okanye you're going to have a baby, okanye ukhona lokubiza baby. Landela, you are making your own decisions. I have a feeling kukho nochomi apha, you are not hanging out the chomi zakho like you used to. You're not hanging out the chomi zakho like you used to. Awusabalandeli, they're in the upright, they miss you. They want to hang out with you namhlanje because it's birthday yakho namhlanje, but awusabalandeli. And I have a feeling apha, if you have a baby or you have a person that you call baby, like if unomntu ubiza baby, unemali oyiseyivileyo ne. Izinto zakho uzenza secretive, very very secretive, because you have a feeling xa ucela abanye abantu izinto zakho azihambi kakuhle. So uyazigcina to yourself. Yabo, if ibirthday yakho namhlanje ugcina imali for umntana wakho, okanye you are keeping money for lo mntu obiza baby, okanye umntu lo ozokubiza baby in the future unemali ayigcinileyo for wena. Yabo, I have a feeling unemali oyigcinileyo for your child. If not, you should start namhlanje. Yabo, and then also apha, you are not following ichomi. Your chomis are missing you. You are no longer awubalandeli anymore. Kuba uyekile usela in the reverse. Hlala phansi in the reverse, meaning in the reverse. It means you are no longer hustling like you used to hustle. Kala used to bust. Uhustleish. Awusahustleish ngoku. But let me tell you one thing. If uzale namhlanje, you are a very lucky person. Jonga, ilucky iza kuwe xa give up. Xa usithi give up, kulapho ilucky tigqi khona. So whatever that you are doing, yonke into lesizathu sayo. Yabo, amawenu anawe. I don't want you. Nangu ewe. It's ewe, meaning amawenu anawe, meaning do not give up on whatever oyenzayo. Yabo, now that you've reduced on alcohol, now that you've reduced the chomini, namhlanje you're feeling grown. Ukhomza ukubiza baby, or you have a baby, awulandeli mntu, and ichomi zakho ziyakhumbula. So happy birthday guys. If your birthday yakho namhlanje, just want to say hala 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 nibe nemini emnandi, and namhlanje it's all about you. Bye bye.